Hi guys, this is Williejaythetrader. I'm an order flow trader and the CEO of Goldenbridge Trading Academy. 8 years ago, I was a frustrated retail trader who was using chart patterns and indicators. I blew many accounts and I almost gave up on Forex till I met my mentor who taught me how to trade order flow. For the past 2 years, I've been mentoring different traders across the world, teaching them this low risk, high reward strategy with a very high win-loss ratio. They are very consistent and very profitable. Many of them came from the background of indicators and chart patterns to higher knowledge, which is order flow trading. These are a few testimonies I want you to listen to.
Hi guys, my name is Ola.
My name is Ni Aite.
My name is Esther.
My name is Kes from Nigeria.
This is Itumiling all the way from South Africa.
My name is Nioluwafemi.
My name is Opayemi.
Hey, my name is Royce.
My name is Selim Williams.
My name is Setum Akoli.
My name is Donald. I come from South Africa.
I've been trading for about the last 5 years now, and I've learned majority of what I know now from different gurus, different programs out there that will offer to make you super profitable. I spent about $10,000 collectively on different softwares, different indicators, different programs, all that, and none of them could make me consistently profitable.
Before I joined, I was trading with indicators left, right, and center. I relied on indicators. I also joined a couple of groups, signal providing groups in South Africa. I think I've been through them all. I was like in 10 or more groups at the same time where I would just be listening to people saying buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell without actually understanding what is going on.
I started my trading journey in January 2020, just this year. I started learning on babypips.com. I got the introductory knowledge, just the basic knowledge, and then I knew that I needed more if I wanted to be successful or profitable. So I started looking for knowledge.
Before I enrolled into GBTA, I used to manage a travel and tour, and I had other businesses on the side. Even though I knew the CEO of GBTA, but hey, we were just friends. We had a little chat about his industry, and it was quite complicated for me, but along the line it got very interesting. Shortly after, I had a little hitches and blocks in my business, and he advised me to enroll into GBTA, and ever since that day I haven't regretted anything at all.
Forex trading journey started roughly over a year ago, where I joined IML Academy, where I met some educators that taught me how to trade, technical analysis and fundamental analysis, chart patterns, market structure, price action strategy, all that crap. So I did that for 2 months, but I wasn't consistent in profit.
My trading journey, I've joined a few academies. I actually joined IML on and off for a bit, and I saw that there was no consistency generally in the world of retail trading. I went from IML Academy to just taking signals. It was a big mess.
Prior to me joining the GBTA Academy, I was a retail trader, and I wasn't consistent at all. I incurred a lot of losses, and I got frustrated a lot of times, and this pushed me to stop trading for a while.
In my few years of trading Forex, I've literally been through every single strategy I could find on YouTube, from chart patterns to indicators, and it never worked for me. None of it did.
Before I joined GBTA, I enrolled into different Forex academies such as IML Academy and so on. It took me about 5 months to fully understand what they had to offer, and it took me about 1.5 years to actually start creating the strategies they gave me. I was never really consistent in making money. Actually, I make money and I lose at the same time. So I decided to go and seek for higher knowledge out there.
Along the line, I think when I stumbled on so many creators on Instagram, I stumbled on Willie, and I saw his captions, I saw his post, I saw his market turning point. I saw him talking about market turning point, talking about think and trade like the bank. I'm like, whoa, what's think and trade like the bank? For that period, he was posting, I think almost every week or once in 2 weeks. So I was always screen grabbing them and getting to study how he was able to command the market, because whenever he says, he shows before and after peaks, you see that the market just rallies to his own predictions. I was like, how is this guy doing it?
I ran into Williejaythetrader and the Goldenbridge Trading Academy on Instagram. So kept watching his posts and watching how consistent he was with his trading and seeing real results. And so I reached out to him personally after watching him for so long and being skeptical. I reached out to him, and that's when he taught me about order flow. I entered his program. The training was about 5 days. I learned more in that 5 days than I had learned in 5 years. It's extremely simple, simple rules, but yet it's so incredibly accurate.
I was using support and resistance trend lines, moving averages, stochastic, Fibonacci. I even used the familiar method, the market maker cycle, and I've been inconsistent for the whole 5 years, and I didn't know how the market moved. That was before I met Williejaythetrader, and he actually taught me real institutional order flow trading, supply and demand, low risk, high reward, understandable, real rules, real market, real predictions with high accuracy. Everyone is profitable. I have 90% win ratio weekly, and that happens period, and I don't even know how did it happen. That was after I joined Goldenbridge Trading Academy.
I was never really consistent in making money. Actually, I would make money and I would lose at the same time. So I decided to go and seek for higher knowledge out there. And that's where I found Williejaythetrader. He told me he had an academy called Goldenbridge Trading Academy, and he told me he was going to teach me something new, something I've never heard of, and that was order flow, because order flow is supply and demand. And to be honest, if you Google Forex, you won't ever see you won't see order flow, you see technical analysis, and that's what these other academies are teaching. So it took me about just a week to understand his full course, and it took me 2 days to actually start analyzing pairs and getting good trades, and my pairs are working.
The lectures and me grabbing the scope and everything I had to grab about order flow took just a week, and after a week I discovered that it's actually the best thing that can ever happen to any trader. And ever since then I've been really consistent in my trades.
Look, Williejaythetrader is not just a professional trader, but he wants to see his students succeed. Okay, he knows his stuff. So after 2 weeks of rigorous teaching and learning, it was time for me to start practicing on my own, and what I couldn't do in 3 whole years, I did in 2 days, honestly, and it has been like that for the past 2 months.
This has been such a wonderful experience for me. Before GBTA, I was not involved with Forex. I didn't know much about it at all, but I definitely knew that I didn't want to deal with indicators and chart patterns. So once I saw Willie's YouTube video and what he was offering, man, gosh, I jumped on it real quickly. So it has been great so far. Progress has been great after the classes, because after the classes he adds you to a group where you discuss trades and analyze trades and post trades with other students, and you just get to talk through things, and Willie is also there as well.
Willie is very professional, I must say. He takes what he does seriously. When he says we have a session at this time, he means at that time, and he'll make sure that he's available for consultations and for any inquiries that you have. He has never given me a cold shoulder when I needed some help. He just made sure that I do what I gotta do. He's not one of those mentors who just trains you and then he's gone. What you do with your life after that doesn't concern him. No, he is very active in our group. He also shares his analysis with us. He corrects us when we make mistakes. That's how I got to be a successful order flow trader.
Willie is someone that he doesn't just teach you and abandons you. He doesn't do that. Unlike other Forex traders that will just teach you and let you be. He comes back to know your mistakes. He comes back, you ask him questions. He's always there to reply. I mean, I've not seen for my whole trading journey, I've not seen any educator that has done that for me. I'm really appreciative.
So I feel like for people that are thinking about taking the step, thinking about going into trade, or even if you're a trader already and you're not experiencing any consistency in your profits, you should definitely try order flow. You need to give the GBTA Academy a shot.
And I'm a very proud product of Goldenbridge Trading Academy. I'm sure anyone that joins Goldenbridge Trading Academy would feel the same way.
GBTA has changed my life, and I recommend it for anybody, even if you're a newbie trader like I once was, or you're already experienced and you're looking for how to be more profitable. Like, you wouldn't even regret it.